Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed, and today we'll discuss about MyFitMed Performance and Fitness Improvement Program. We originally came up with this program for our professional athletes, but we have seen that this program has benefited a lot of our patients that work out on regular basis. So this program is ideal for somebody who is already exercising, already in the okay shape, but wants to get in the best shape of their life. So this program includes 3 different medications. The first one is HGH peptide. HGH peptide I have discussed in more detail in the other videos, but what it does is it stimulates your pituitary gland to produce more of your body's own growth hormone. So it stimulates your natural growth hormone production. It increases the energy, it gives you deeper and most restful sleep, which is needed for recovery of the muscle when you're working out on regular basis. HGH peptide also reduces the body fat and increases lean muscle mass. Now there are multiple different types of HGH peptide we use, and we'll talk about it in different video, and we decide based on patient's history, how their medical history, what their workout plans and everything is. Some of the HGH peptide that we use are Samorlin, Ipamorelin, Tesmorelin, IGF and CJC. These are the injectable HGH peptide. Some of the oral peptides that we use are AOD 9604 and tesofensin. The second vitamin that we use for this program is L-carnitine. L-carnitine enhances the fat burning, and it utilizes fat as the source of energy. So it converts fat into energy. It's ideal for burning fat, improving metabolism and improving energy. So it's a perfect pre-workout injection. It improves the lean muscle mass and increases the overall energy level for intense workout. And the third vitamin injections that you do on the weekly basis is an amino blend. Now everybody that works out regularly takes some type of amino acid or whey protein or BCAAs. This amino blend injectable is a specific combination of amino acid to improve your overall performance. This has ornithine, citrulline, lysine and arginine. Ornithine and arginine helps improve nitric oxide production, which in turn enhances the oxygen delivery to muscle during exercise. It also decreases fatigue during the intense workout or HIIT type of training. Lysine is an essential amino acid that supports the immune system and improves the cardiovascular function. And the last one, citrulline, is great complement to arginine in boosting the nitric oxide production and improving the blood flow. Combination of all 3 injections will improve your overall performance, improves your fat metabolism, energy and lean muscle mass. Subscribe for more video and give us a thumbs up.